tsunami evacuation zone. You see the arrow? Jeez. Hope that there's no need to evacuate for a tsunami. Y ya le está pisando el tsunami.
I think it's better if we stay here. So everybody parks here.
Yeah, knows how to turn left.
In 0.6 miles. Turn left on Venice Way.
Is that behind us? Why would he?
I don't know.
Boy, he's gonna hit you.
What's wrong with this guy?
Yeah, he has he's doing that on purpose with you. It's just
He was doing it to the guy behind him too.
yeah, cause he did you hear him skirt?
Yeah.
And then right now why is he blinking lights at you? He's not a cop, is he?
Look.
You don't see no flashing lights?
He has a red flashing lights, red and white.
Where? What?
Red and
Yeah,
white.
well, that doesn't look like police. And why would he slam on his things like that?
I mean, you're not even going fast, okay?
Now he's stuck there.
Oh, but yeah.
No, because he was doing it to the guy behind him too.